So here, industrial manufacture of spirits. Number one, spirits are obtained by producing alcohol containing liquid by fermentation and starch like beet sugar, figs, strawberry, and they include these spirits are rum, gin, whiskey, brandy, and vodka. The process of fermentation is same for all these starch. Rum. What is rum? Rum is prepared from sugar beet, that is in France. Carrot beet is in Portugal, and from strawberry is in Brazil, and from molasses in Cuba. So the rum flavor is due to the formation of ethyl acetate and ethyl butyrate. These are the esters, and these are responsible of good aroma and flavor of rum, which are produced in different countries. Second one is gin. Gin is obtained from plum spirit, and the gin obtained by distillation and artificially flavored by redistilling with juniper berries. Brandy is obtained by the distillation of wine, and brandies of the various aroma are obtained by distilling different fermented juice of different fruit like apple, peach, fig, and melon. And these brandies are nowadays very popular. People are taking it in moderate or small quantity, even they are giving to children. And in some of the medical preparation, some percentage of brandy is also added to do the good fermentation and to maintain the metabolic process and digestive system. So brandy is very, very popular in use. So the next one is vodka. Vodka is a very, very popular Russian drink, alcoholic beverages. And vodka is known as a Russian drink. It is prepared by the fermenting one special type of grass. It belongs to grass family, is called red, which is grown in Russia. So vodka is very popular Russian alcoholic beverages. It is spirit, or sometimes we call it whiskey class drink obtained in Russia from ray, and ray is a grass family herb. Number two, spirits are prepared from barley malt, and the barley grains are dried, steeped with water for 2-3 days. Here the temperature is kept low to stop the process of germination, because once barley is germinated, there will be huge loss of diastase enzyme, and diastase enzyme is very important enzyme to convert maltose into glucose, that is disaccharide maltose will be converted into monosaccharide glucose. So temperature should be kept very low. This is very important step. If temperature is above 35 or 35, then the barley will be germinated and there will be loss of diastase. The malt barley then washed with water. In the case of spirit distillery process, the mashing is carried out twice, and the wort is allowed to stand for some time in the vessel for the action of the enzyme diastase. So once the diastase action will take place, and then after that the yeast action will take place, that is zymase, and finally it will be converted into spirit. And with the help of the same procedure, fractional distillation, we can separate or we can maintain like that in the form of spirits. And if in case the starch material is not barley, it is either maize or potato. In India, the starch material is very common in that is potato. In Nigeria also nowadays lot of potato is there. So the spirit can be obtained by fermentation of potato as a starch material. So, if the potato or maize is used as a source of starch, then 4% green malt is mixed, and in case of potatoes 9 to 10% green malt is added. Before mixing the starchy material with malts are gelatinized at high temperature for 3 hours. Actually, before mixing to all this enzyme and yeast, this potato starch is converted into gelatin-like mass, say gummy mass or semi-solid mass, that is called gelatinization of starch. And after the gelatinization, then these yeast and enzymes are mixed, and it is kept for 3 hours at high pressure with steam. Gelatinizing is carried out in cooker containing potatoes plus water plus steam. So in these 3 combinations, all the potato starch will be converted into gelatin, and the gelatin of starch is called mass. So once it is converted into gelatin mass, it is called MASH, mass. Mass means it is gelatinous substance obtained from starchy material. At 30 degrees centigrade temperature, it is allowed for 12 to 15 hours. During this time, the yeast will action will take place, and it will be fermented, and it will be converted into spirit. So with this I will stop. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.